Welcome to our channel. Connecting your Ring doorbell to Alexa enables voice announcements and smart home integration. Follow this simple guide to link your devices. Step 1. Ensure your Ring doorbell is already set up and working properly through the Ring app. Step 2. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone and sign in with your Amazon account. Step 3. Tap the More menu icon in the bottom right corner, then select Skills and Games. Step 4. Search for the Ring skill in the search bar and select it from the results. Step 5. Tap Enable to use and sign in to your Ring account when prompted. Step 6. Grant Alexa permission to access your Ring devices by accepting the authorization request. Step 7. Return to the Alexa app main screen and tap Devices at the bottom, then select Discover Devices. Step 8. Once discovered, you can assign your Ring doorbell to specific rooms and create voice commands like Alexa, show me the front door on compatible Echo devices with screens. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.